is Julia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you spring makeup tutorial, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you did this makeup, please Instagram me your pictures and let's get into it. So first I'm going to start off applying primer to my skin. Next, I apply liquid foundation. Then I take a dry contour, as you can see, and I contour in my face. There is two colors in this palette. There is a contour and a highlighter. I also apply a highlighter to my nose, under my eyes. To my chin and to my forehead. Next, I apply an eyebrow shadows to my eyebrows. Then I take a lighter shadows and apply that under my eyebrows and above my eyebrows. Next, I apply shimmery pinky beige shadows. By the way, this is one color I applied for this makeup. Then I apply an eyeliner to my lash line. Next, I apply mascara to my eyelashes. Then I apply lip gloss to my lips. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!
С ногами. Сделай их красиво.